Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to connect WhatsApp on any of the laptop or computer. So let's begin the video. And if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. So let's start the video. First of all, you will open your WhatsApp application. At the top corner there are three dots. You will simply tap on three dots and you will tap on settings. At the top, there is a QR code option. You will simply tap on this QR code. So here is the option of scan code. You will simply tap on scan. And at your laptop, you will open the window of web.whatsapp.com. So we have opened it. So here you will simply search from your mobile like scan WhatsApp QR code and you will simply tap on continue and you will simply tap on link our device. And here you will simply use mobile data or any of the Wi-Fi. So the WhatsApp has been logged in. As you can see on my laptop screen, so you simply tap on. So here you can see the WhatsApp has been logged in. So this is the simple process of connecting your any of the laptop or computer on web. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. Thank you.